Hi, my name is John Bosworth. I'm a licensed mental health counselor in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about alcohol treatment programs. There's a lot of misinformation and there's a lot of good information on alcohol treatment programs. Most people, when they think of alcohol treatment or any other addiction, think of 12-step programs. 12-step programs can be very effective for some people. For some people who may not believe in the higher power concept or the concept of a God, or they may be atheist or agnostic, 12-step programs don't tend to be as effective. People that are in those groups feel that there's a certain part of their belief system that's missing. So there are many other forms of treatment for alcohol or any other addiction that do not involve the 12 steps, such as psychodynamic therapy, family and group therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy. We find really that most of the most effective treatment modalities for alcohol use and other addictions tend to be cognitive behavioral based. And what cognitive behavioral therapy means really is that we look at the person's their philosophy, the way they look at life. And the reason that cognitive behavioral therapies tend to be effective is we can isolate some of the irrational beliefs and the automatic thoughts that tend to not only contribute to alcoholism or to alcohol abuse or dependence, but we can also look at some of the ideas and the attitudes that people have that may contribute to other maladaptive ways of coping in their life. Besides cognitive behavioral approaches, there is some evidence basically that there are people, and a small percentage of people, that have an alcohol or other addiction that simply quit cold turkey. I would not recommend that if you have been using any kind of substance, including alcohol, for a long time. But the research is pretty strong on the fact that some people do actually quit cold turkey. But there are other more safer ways to do that. And if you are having a problem or need to be treated for alcohol abuse or dependence, know that there is help out there. My name's John Bosworth, and I'm a licensed mental health counselor in St. Pete, Florida.